Hi, this is Roshni Schroeder, and this is my video identifying the parts of the placenta. As we know, the baby is attached to the placenta through the umbilical cord, which is what provides the baby with nutrients, gas exchange, and blood circulation. So in this particular model, the umbilical cord would encase the baby within this sac, and the baby would be attached through the umbilical cord within the sac. So the parts of the placenta that we're going to cover is the chorion, which is the outer portion of the amniotic sac that holds the baby. The inner portion that the baby is in is known as the amnion, and that forms the inner portion of the amniotic sac, and that's also where baby is, as we saw earlier. Then when you look at the placenta, the fetal side is the side that the umbilical cord is inserted into, and then the maternal side is the other side. And usually, if it were an actual placenta, you would see lobules or cotyledons on this side, and it would be not as smooth or as shiny as the fetal side of the placenta. The umbilical cord has two arteries and a singular vein. Not really shown in this crochet model, but there'll be two small spaces where you'll see the arteries and a slightly larger space which will be the umbilical vein. Other than that, this is an amazing organ that is grown maternally and then is ejected out after the birth of the baby if everything goes normal in physiologic birth. So the parts that we covered were the chorion, which is the outer portion of the sac or the membrane that encases the baby. The inner portion where the placenta and the baby is the amnion, and those two layers can be separated apart once the placenta is delivered. To look at it, there's the parental surface of the placenta, and then there's the fetal surface of the placenta, which is where you see the umbilical cord. And the space that contains the umbilical cord and the baby and the placenta is also where the amniotic fluid is, the watery medium that the baby floats around in. And then the artery on the surface of the placenta is located in the umbilical cord and obviously is attached to baby and is very important as part of blood and gas exchange. Hope that was instructive. Thank you.